This is a simple way to find the rational numbers between. These are the simple numbers. But if we are taking the fractional numbers and you have to find the rational numbers between the given numbers, then how will you find it? The process is same. I am taking the number, let the number is 3 by 4 and suppose 5 by 4. You want to find the 8 numbers between them. How will you find it? Process is same. The numbers you have to find is 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. It means LCM must be 9. So that 3 by 4 is the number 9. This is the 5 by 4 multiplied by 9 and this is also multiplied by 9, because the numbers which you have to find plus 1 must be in the denominator, so that this is equal to 27 by 36 and this is equal to 45 by 36. You want to find the 8 numbers between them. Write the 8 numbers between these numbers. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 by 36. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. And you can write any of the numbers between 27 by 36 to 45 by 36. You can write any 8 numbers between them. We have noted here 29, 30, 31 by 36, 32, 33, 34, 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have noted here the numbers up to from 29 to 36, so that you can get the numbers by this process. This is the method. One more method is here to find the numbers between them, which is equal to, the formula is D is equal to B minus A upon N plus 1. This is the formula. What is this? Where A is the first number which is given, B is the second number which is given, and N is equal to number of N is equal to numbers which you have to find. Numbers which you want to find. Okay. By this process you will get the value of D. By getting this, the first number is A given, the second number and last number is B given. Next number will be A plus D, next number A plus 2D, A plus 3D, up to dot dot dot. You can find the numbers between the given numbers. How this process works? We are applying this formula in this question. This question number 2. We are applying this formula and seeing the result. The result is same or different. The second solution, second method. D is equal to B here 5 is equal to a, b is equal to 6 and n is equal to 10. b minus a upon n plus 1, it means 6 minus 5 upon 10 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 11. It means you will add 1 by 11 in the preceding process and you will find the 8 numbers between these two numbers, 10 numbers in between these numbers. The first number is 5. The second number will be 5 plus 1 by 11. According to this, a plus d. First term plus difference. Second term will be 5 plus 2 upon 11. We are using a plus 2d. The next is 5 plus 3 by 11. In the preceding way, you will write 5 plus 4 by 11, 5 plus 5 by 11, 5 plus 6 by 11, 5 plus 7 by 11, 5 plus 8 by 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and last number which is given to us is 6. Check these numbers. First number is 5. This is also 5. Secondly, 11 5 is 55 plus 1, 56 by 11. This number is same. 11 5 is 55 plus 2, 57 by 11. This one will be 53 plus 11. This one will be 9 by 11. This one will be 60 by 11 and so on. The last number will be 11 5 is 55 plus 10, 65 by 11. This one, and the last number which is equal to 6 is this. So that from the both process we are getting the same answer. But this process is simple for the integers, but for the fractions or complicated numbers you can use this formula for finding the rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. This is not the limit that we can only find the 10 numbers between these two rational numbers. This is not the limit. We can find infinitely many rational numbers between these two given numbers. 10 is not the limit, or 5 is not the limit for 1 and 2. Is that clear? We can find infinitely many numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay, now I am telling to you about the irrational numbers. What are the irrational numbers? We have discussed previously the numbers which are not rational, that are the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7. These all are the irrational numbers. Okay, these are the irrational numbers. In the rational numbers and irrational numbers, rational numbers, we know that the numbers which are in the form of p upon q, where q is not equal to 0, and p which in the form of p upon q, where q is not equal to 0. These are the rational numbers, and which cannot be represented in the form of p upon q. These are the irrational numbers. In the rational numbers, there are the two type of rational numbers. Rational numbers, there are the two types. What are the types? Terminating and second one is non-terminating. What is the meaning of terminating and non-terminating? Terminate means completely divisible. Non-terminating, not divisible. In the non-terminating, there is the repeating terms, repeating. Non-terminating, but after a certain steps, we will get the same value which we divided at the starting. Firstly, we are taking terminating terms. Terminating means, suppose 3 by 8. We have taken 3 by 8. 3 by 8 means